All right, y'all. It's the last full day here. And so far, the food has been very disappointing.
No more coffee.
No more coffee. Red Bull. It gives you wings. Oh.
What are we going to do? Buffet.
Buffet? Yeah, we'll have a buffet. Because around here, I don't know.
Yeah, I have
to work on Wednesday.
Oh, God. I don't want to go back.
It's back to work on Wednesday. We gotta be adults again, man.
Macy's is so cruel.
We have to be adults. Go back to being adults.
Go back to customer service.
Oh, man.
Yay. Go back to all that drama at work. People sleeping with each other. Bringing the mess to our department. I don't want to hear all that.
That's why you shouldn't sleep with your coworkers. Unless they're gonna keep it super low key. Which is rare. Which is rare.
There's always one messy person.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot we had pizza today.
Yeah, we got pizza. Can't shit where you eat. What is that all the way in the distance? You see that shiny thing?
Where?
Far, far ahead.
A light pole?
Oh, that is a light pole. I'm like, what's that shiny thing?
It's a light pole. What you think? It's some kind of distress beaker?
Man, some type of alien craft. So we're gonna get ourselves ready for the day. Outfit of the day number 1. Basic. Can't go wrong with being basic. Okay, you guys. So I'll give you guys a quick update on what's going on with my skin out here. Now the weather out here is really dry, and on top of that, I decided to go out and roast myself like a chicken in the sun. So I got a little bit of sunburn like on the side of my thigh, on my leg, but it's like a barely sunburn, like a you got out the sun just in time before you got sunburned. That's exactly what it's like. And then on my face, I got like sunburn. If you guys can probably see it, all right here, like all on the lower half of my face, I got sunburn and everything like that. So pretty much, and I have been applying sunblock underneath my, actually on top of my moisturizer before my oil. So I just been doing that, but my skin has really not been a happy camper. My lips are super dry. Like the air out here is just super duper dry, mad dry. So I just been trying to moisturize and protect myself from the sun, but I wanted to tan because your girl was so freaking pale, legs to arm ratio. So you guys, that is it. Today is our last full day here in Vegas, and it's been good. We stayed in downtown Vegas, and I mean, downtown Vegas is cool. The food is not so great. Like we said before, the food is kind of crappy down here. It's a bit pricey. I feel like it's half-assed. And we went to the Strip a couple of days ago. I think we're gonna actually venture back down that way today. Anyways, you guys, so we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna get cute and we're gonna enjoy our last day out here. Today we have to check in for our flight at 12:10. I think it's like 10 o'clock or something like that. And then tonight we're gonna have to start to pack and get all of our stuff ready because we gotta leave out of here quite early, and not really early, but like 9ish in the morning to get to the airport. So definitely, you guys, stay tuned. Time to find the food. Time to find the food. It is nice in here. There's so much going on. So this is further than we walked last time. Last time we stopped at the Bellagio. No, Aria, which is, you guys probably be able to see a little shit. It's all the way down there.
Right where Prince Thomas College.
Yeah, it's all the way down there. So let's see how far we can walk now. How far our feet will allow us to walk. Because I know last time the Lyft driver drove through. Did he drive through here? No, he didn't. No. That was probably the Bellagio or the other place. Close to you. Do, 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 do. See, when you get on the roller coaster, you'll be able to see the sky. Look, you can look. You can see the nice like sky and the clouds.
You want to see stars?
There's no stars. You do roller coasters at Disneyland though.
That's Disneyland.
Oh, so you're roller coaster discriminative. Okay.
I don't like getting dropped that high. You should know that.
She roller coaster discriminates, you guys.
Alright. Let me show you.
Okay, you guys. Good morning. It is last day in Vegas. We are actually getting ourselves together so that we can get out of here. We gotta get to the airport at 12:10. Our flight leaves at 12:10. It's officially like almost 9 o'clock, 8:30. So we're just getting ourselves ready so that we can get out of here and get to the airport. But it's been great, Vegas. It's been fun. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right. So we're at the airport. Autumn is being stalked by the lady who works in the casino.
The airport.
We are on our way back home. And so, yeah. Our flight leaves in like, what, a little bit over an hour? An hour?
It leaves in an hour, but we board in 30 minutes.
So yeah, we board in 30 minutes. Leaves in about an hour. So, yeah. So we're just waiting till then. It was fun while it lasted. Now it's back to reality. I'm mad. We played the Buffalo. Buffalo failed us. Casinos, man. Vegas, they'll take all your money. Okay, hello you guys, your girl Eunice here. I'm officially back and home from our Vegas trip, and our plane, I'm trying to explain this. So our plane landed in LAX about I want to say like 12:50ish or whatever. The flight was like 30 minutes. It was really fast. And then between, you know, getting to LAX, getting through LAX, getting our bags and all that, here we are here now. Autumn went off her way, went home, and then I went home, and here I am now. I just wanted to come and kind of close out the vlog because this vlog may be a little choppy because your girl doesn't always pick up the camera like before, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog and the footage that I did get. And so yeah, just something a little different for you guys, and I thought that I would bring you guys along and share with you guys the fun that me and my best friend kind of get into. I didn't do that bad, did I? No, I don't think I did. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.